comes to a story, can't get home. The man sat above the bar. He said, my dear friends, I have given my all. I'm sorry, it's all over now. Went from the balcony way up high. There suddenly came a mournful cry. Oh, Mr. Paganini, please play my rhapsody. And if you cannot play, won't you sing it? And if you can't sing it, you simply have to only one. Mr. Paganini, we breathlessly wait your masterful dance. Go on and sing it. And if you can't sing it, you simply have to we hear your repertoire and then the fun about we greet you with round of applause. But what the graduation, your interpretation of an anarchy march for moon and skies, and then blinking back and fireflies for it too. So Paganini, don't you be a meanie. What have you up your sleeve? Come on and spring it. And if you can't spring it, you simply have to. Listen, Paganini, please play my rhapsody. And if you cannot play it, won't you sing me? If your voice is bobbing and only the stopping, but it's for some sim diddy boy. Listen, Paganini, we breathlessly wait your masterful dancer. Come on and scream it. If your voice is bobbing and only the stopping, we got your rabbits working and the fun of